Hello, it's CraftyRia. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing this set of Christmas ornaments. This is a set that is similar to Lego. It is building blocks. And here are the 6 ornaments that it will make. And they're made in these little globes and they light up. So I will put the link to this on Amazon in the description box below. So you'll be able to pick one up if you want to go ahead and craft along with me. I received this as a birthday gift. This is not a paid promotion in any way. And there we go. So here it is. I'm trying to get a brand name. There is the brand name. I don't know how to say it. It is a bunch of letters. But this is the kit. And we'll open it up and see what's inside. I will put one together and then I'll show you the finished ones at the end. There are 4 packs of these. Each one of them contain 3 halves, so that makes a total of 12, which would make 6 ornaments. Also in the box, you get the toppers that have the little fairy light sets in them. And you'll use one of these per ornament. Here's the instruction booklet, and again, it shows you a good picture of all of them. So the kit comes with 3 numbered sets. Each one makes 2 ornaments, so all of the bags that are number 1 will make those 2. Number 2 will make those 2, and then bag number 3 will make those 2. So for example, we have 3 bags with a number 1 on them, 3 bags with a number 2, 3 bags with a number 3. There's also a bag of this shredded paper. I would imagine maybe it is for snow inside. And then there's this bag here that has some black thread in it. And I think that makes the hangers on each one to hang them from your tree. Okay, I'm going to start with ornaments in the bag number 1. And I'll start by making this first ornament. So I have 3 bags of number 1. And I am going to use these bento boxes to separate my pieces. The kit comes with one of these little tools that helps you take apart the pieces in case you make a mistake and need to remove a piece. So I have all the pieces separated, some of the smaller pieces here, and of course the larger pieces over here. And let's get started with the instructions. So we're going to make the snowman piece first, and I will get the pieces out that I need. And this is the insert that will go into the Christmas ball. So the next thing we need are the 2 halves. We need some of the paper, a string, and a light kit. Okay, so now we have come to the part where we will assemble the ornament. We have the inside decoration completed. I have some of the paper. I have one of the wiring light kits, one of the ornament hangers, and then 2 halves of the ornament. When you're taking these out, be sure that you have one with the ridge here that will go on the inside and one with the ridge that'll go on the outside. When you look at them and feel them, you'll understand what I'm talking about. I'm going to test this and make sure the light works. I'm going to remove the battery protector. And there, the lights do work. You turn the top to turn it on and off. So I will start by taking a little bit of this paper. There's enough here for all 6 ornaments, so be sure to only use a little bit of it. And this goes in the bottom of the ornament. And then this goes down in on top of the paper. There, and then that just snaps together. It's kind of cute. And then I will feed the lights down through. Kind of straighten him out as well. The lights are moving him around, so I'm going to put all the lights in there first and then see if I can straighten him out. See if I can turn him to face the front. I'm just using a paintbrush handle, the back of a paintbrush handle, to straighten him out. And then I will twist this on the top. Okay, I am back. I finished putting together the ornament, and here we have it lit up. There's the back. And I finished all 6 of them, so I'll show you them all. We have the reindeer and the snowman. Then we have the nutcrackers. There's the back. They have a cute little Christmas tree behind them. And we have Mrs. Claus. She has a mailbox, some a mug of hot chocolate, and a little cute little Christmas tree or bush. Then we have Santa with the tree. He has a little star in his hand. His little, we call it his bag of toys behind him. And then the gingerbread house. It has some candy on the roof. And very cool. Let me turn my lights off. I'll show you how these look in the dark, even though it's not very dark in here, but you can really appreciate the lights. They are quite bright, and they turn on and off by twisting the top of the ornament. And all of them have this hanger with the little Lego connector at the top. And then they can hang on your tree. I hope you enjoyed this video with all of these really cute ornaments. They're beautiful in person. I will put the link to them, my affiliate link on Amazon. I will put that in the description below. Right now, as I'm filming this video, they are on sale for Cyber Monday. I don't know how long that sale will last. So go check it out. They're really, really cool. It's not the Lego brand, but it is really, it feels like the same type of product as Lego, the same quality as Lego. One more time, I'll give you a close-up of the box. That's what the box looks like with all of the pieces. This is a close-up of what all of the Lego parts on the inside look like. These were really fun to put together. I enjoyed it very much. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I have a Facebook group. If you would care to connect with some of my other crafter friends, go ahead and click on that in the description box below. I also have a Discord server. I stream live on Twitch a few days a week. All of that information will be in the description box, and I go live on Monday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern here on YouTube, and we do some crafting then, and that's a live show, and it's a lot of fun. We play Mad Libs and have a good time with everybody. All right, well, thank you again for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.